Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 152 of building the Delorean from Back to the Future. Another repetitive build episode this time, but at least we get to look through the magazine first and find some stuff. We're going to build another sleeper and then attach it to the penultimate sleeper to go on there. It won't look like that because we haven't got these rails yet, but you know, we're going to put it on the end like so. Let's have a look. We're still looking at the rivals. Rivals of the Delorean, the Aston Martin Lagonda. Lagonda? It looks similar-ish, but I'm sure it's for a different market. There we go. Aston Martin's a little bit posher as well, isn't it? There we go. That's that one. Looking at Doc Brown's truck, we're not going to be building that. That would be taking part work extensions a little bit too far. Next time we've got another rail to do, and we're looking at more icons of the 80s style, more rivals. Right, let's get the sleeper done. Okay, it's sleeper time. You've seen it before. You'll see it one more time, so let's get on with it. We need lots of EP screws. Yeah, probably pretty much all of them, because I'm going to be attaching it. If I can get me out at all. You need all of them, not just none of them. There we go, that's the packet opened. Right, let's get them all out and then we'll work from there. So we've got the extra bits to put on there. These obviously connect up like so, just like always. Let's get that done. Oh, yeah. So easy. I've done it so many times. I can't do it. Still can't do it right the first time. Through there. There we go. Feels better. That goes in there. Same on the other side. One in there. I shall get these all tightened up, obviously, as well. Have I got enough screws? I think there might be just enough screws to do this. Not be any spares this time around. That's very strange. Actually, not quite enough screws to do all I want to do. I should have to dig into my ply for one extra, I think. Because as well as attaching that on there, I'm going to attach these onto there so I don't have loose pieces floating around. Don't know why they don't tell you to do this now. Anyway, because you might as well, basically. Got to be done. It's easier to do it now rather than when it's all attached to the hugeness of the rest of it. So that is that. Let's get that on. I'll get these tightened up now because I've got to. Because it's much easier, as I say, to do this with just this piece rather than playing around with the entire track thing, which is getting quite substantial because it's got the metal rails on it. So it's not got no weight to it. That's that. One tightened up as well. And the last one. There. Okay. So bringing in the rest of it, it's still massive. So that's going on there. That connects on there, just like that, with the two screws through the back, which I've only got one, so I'll have to dig out another one. So that's that. That is another issue complete. Next time, I think we get another rail, which will probably not actually be attaching because it's a bit too long to have it sticking out. So I'll get the first couple of chairs attached. But that will be that, ready to go. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.